Hello guys. This is Augustus from UB Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to students and first year students. I'm returning students, but whatever that I'll be doing here today will be based on you, just both, okay? Because it's the same thing, just that the difference for a returning student, some details are already filled in for you. So everything will be easy, by the way. This is just to show you for those who don't know. Yeah, so first thing first, can you please like the video right now? Oh, okay, thank you for liking. And the subscribe button just down there, so can you scroll and really and hit the notification button there. Oh, thank you for doing that. Oh my god, yeah, good one. So first things first, what you've got to do there is type ub.pw. That's the website for the school. You know that. I know you know that. It's loading for you. Loading. Oh god, this is taking. Okay, so here we go. This is the page. What you have got to do is scroll down until you reach online systems, and it's pretty much easy. Just go to resident management system. You're going to be it's going to take you to redirect you to a page where you go to fill in your credentials, and I think I've got to be there in few seconds. Okay, I'm pretty much there. Everything is. Oh, I've logged with this before. I've applied before, so it knows my details. It's Google thingy. So after you enter your credentials, just log in, and it's validating. This shouldn't take time. There you go. So you can apply for. This was 2021 by the time I made this tutorial video. So you can apply for first year and first year students. But these are not links, by the way. This is just to notify you that you can do that when you are returning students or a first year student or a graduate student. Oh, it's written 2020. That's weird, but still okay. There's only one button that I've got to press here, and that's this one. And because I'm a returning student, it already knows that I am returning. So whatever that I'm going to be doing, it will be for a student that is returning. But it's like I said, it won't be different from a first year student. The only difference is that for me, like the entire form will be filled for me. There won't be need for me to fill anything except for the part whereby maybe I have to fill the name for my current roommate and current block where I'm staying and room number. So it has just opened for me a new window. I think please maximize that so that I can see one. Please read carefully. I have read myself this. So you yourself, if you don't know, if you know that you haven't read this before, so you've got to read. We have got 7 steps, 1 up to 7. So let's begin the first step. Next step. I think I forgot something. I should have told you something there. You're supposed to. Everything should be in caps. Okay, I think I didn't feel that. Oh god. Yes, everything else. Are you an international student? No, obviously. Then fill in the details. Yep. Alright, so then you gotta have to select the next step. Oh, I forgot. Next step. Don't forget the next step. Oh, this is important, by the way. I used to stay at 476, and I was at room 12. Are you having psychosocial challenges? Nah, I don't have any. Do you? If yes, just do that. Oh, telephone is required. Okay, I forgot that. Where's my telephone? I'm supposed to fill my telephone. This is supposed to be filled in for me. I don't understand what's going on right now. Then next step. This is supposed to be loading. Okay, did load everything. I think everything here it's filled. It's filled. Then next. Okay, let me just not skip and assume you guys know everything. Just fill in the details of your mom's, your dad's and yours. If you have a guardian, then you can complete this. If the one that is on top is not applicable, if that does not apply to you, then you can fill this. That's like when you don't have a dad and you don't have a mother. Okay, that's it. I think I feel like crying right now. Okay, but I thank God you have one, right? And if you're married, this is where you have to fill in and hit next step when you're done. When you have a slow internet connection, you can just keep on clicking save progress. Oh, I forgot to fill that one. Okay, seems like everything wasn't filled in for me here. Is it dead? Says no. That's why I filled there. I think that's all for now. And hit next step, save. Don't forget to save. Oh God, did I just say yes? I think I said yes. Oh, I did for mother. I'm supposed to fill in for dad. Is it? Is no. He isn't. Next. Okay, invalid name. Alright, it seems like this thing has these details are from provided by Google. They're not the ones that I inserted here. So I'm gonna have to insert new details here. Just Google knows my brother's that name, so it just provides surname. He didn't actually think of he doesn't think whatever. Oh, thank God. So this is the part whereby they're trying to find the best roommate for you, the best match for you. So whatever that you have to choose, you are going to choose here. Be honest when you're drinking. Say yes when you don't. Say no. If you're sensitive to lie, say yes. Say no. You know the problem with selecting. Let's say let's assume you select that you drink. You know, by mistake. What they're gonna do there is they're going to they're going to give a roommate who drinks so that you guys, you know, just to find someone who's like you know, the best actually. So just imagine when you don't drink and somebody you are put in the same room as somebody who's drinking comes knocks at your house at 12 when you're asleep. So just be honest with this. This is filled for me. Those were my details. I'm sensitive to noise, so I don't like noise myself. Alright, so this you have to put to write the name of your roommate. I don't know. They could assign you with him again. If it's a him or her next semester. So I'm just going to just put a name there. Just maybe write this random name. Random name. Then next step. There you go. Reasons why you want to apply for accommodation. You don't have to be like okay. What you could say here is just right. Okay, I reside just far away. I reside far from campus. It's too easy. You don't have to like to write a paragraph here. That's not important. I don't think they're interested in that. They just want a valid reason. So if you reside like in areas near Gaborone, then I don't think you'll be given a priority. Really, they're going to give priority to those who live far, those who come from Chobe, from Ngami, Central, yeah, in Central, Kalahari, Ganzi, yeah. So you gotta have to choose the LLC program you are interested in. So just choose anything that you like. Okay, I like tech myself, so this is pretty much relevant for me. Then have you received any warning? Like let's say you're caught with you're caught with what? Maybe let's say alcohol, and it was not allowed at that time. I don't know. I don't even know it's allowed, but I don't think it's allowed. So when you're given a warning, just be honest and say yes. But because I haven't, no. Next step, don't forget to save when you have a bad internet connection. So here's a contract that's preparing for me. Everything's filled. I think everything's correct here. Then I confirm that the information is true. correct. The next step, oh, that is a signature, by the way, even though it's not, doesn't look like one. So this is where, like, this is the application, the whole of the application is just being summed up into this. It's more like a document, like it has been summed up, everything, all the details are here. So you can either send this to your email or download it, but you may, if you download it, we may maybe lose it, I don't know, or you may not be able to identify it next time. So you can pretty much email it to your student email. You fill it next time, and when you're done, click finish. There should be a pop-up here. Okay, here's a pop-up message. It says, have you reviewed these details in the summary above? If not, please click cancel. Yeah, you need to make sure that everything that is in here is correct. So I have applied before. There's no need for me to click OK. I don't want to send a duplicate. It would probably disqualify me. I'm not. Yeah, it probably disqualify me. So I won't be doing that. So for you, when I'm done, just click OK. It'll pop up. What do you call it? A reference number for you. So that's where you have to take note of that reference number. I don't know what these guys use it for. I've never used it myself. So just take a screenshot if you have a screenshot. To do a screenshot is pretty much easy. When you have your own computer, just hit the Windows key and the print screen key. It will take a screenshot for you. That's all for today. Please like, subscribe, share with others who are not familiar with how to apply for accommodation. Thank you for watching. I believe you'll receive a notification for the next tutorial video that I'll be publishing very soon. Thank you for watching. Night, morning, whichever applies to you.